Welcome to Chapter. In this lesson, we'll look at a specific type of error, leaving out necessary prepositions. Even advanced learners sometimes forget small words that carry big meaning. Let's dive in. Prepositions are key to connecting ideas clearly. Omitting them, even by accident, can confuse listeners or readers. Many verbs and adjectives require prepositions to complete their meaning. Let's see some typical cases. Listen always takes the preposition to. You listen to someone or something. Without to, the sentence sounds incomplete and incorrect. We say am married to someone, not just married someone. This small preposition keeps your sentence accurate and natural. The adjectives afraid always requires the preposition of. When talking about fears, never drop this key word. The verb accuse is followed by of. It introduces the action or crime being mentioned. Always remember this pair, accuse of something. When expressing ability or skill, use good at or bad at, not just good or bad. Without that, the phrase sounds off. The correct structure is succeed in doing something. Leaving out in is a very common error. Here's a quick summary. These verb preposition combinations must be used correctly to avoid sounding unnatural or incorrect. Small words, big impact. Thanks for joining in this chapter on omitted prepositions. Up next, we'll look at the opposite problem, using unnecessary prepositions. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.